Good day. Stick the recipe. Beef vermicelli canales. Ingredients: onion, chili, garlic salt, special, Cairo, garlic sauce, ketchup, and salt, a pound of meat for step. Step. Step process. Wash the meat. Chop the meat into paste. Season the meat. Cook the meat. Explanation: pour the meat into uncooked and wash with plenty of water. Once this is done and the seasoning, let stand for about 16 minutes. Then we pour into a bowl. Place it on the stove with a medium level, leaving in for approximately 1 hour. Depends on the texture on the meat. Once it has a false texture, ingredient the tomato sauce and the achiote. Leave it for about 15 minutes and the remove in from the stove and ready to serve. Thank you.